Pandas resample documentation. So I completely understand how to use resample, but the documentation does not do a good job explaining the options. So most options in the resample function are pretty straightforward except for these two. Rule, the offset string or object representing target conversion. How, string, method for down or resampling, default to mean. So from looking at as many examples as I found online, I can see for rule you can do for day, xmin for minutes, xl for milliseconds, but that is all I could find. For how I have seen the following. First, np.max, last, min, and n1, n2, n3, n4, nx, where nx is the first letter of each column index. So is there somewhere in the documentation that I am missing that displays every option for pandas.resample's rule and how inputs? If yes, where, because I could not find it? If no, what are all the options for them?
See the time series documentation. It includes a list of offsets and anchored offsets and a section about resampling. Note that there isn't a list of all the different how options, because it can be any numpy array function, and any function that is available via group B dispatching can be passed to how by name.
There's more to it than this, but you're probably looking for this list. Source, this URL.
If you're not sure what you will get, use this function. For example, uppercase and lowercase are the same, not like the usual m equals month and m equals minute. Be aware that therefore this is not the same and gives you different results. The reason you can see are here. Warning, the default values for label and closed is left for all frequency offsets except for M, A, Q, BM, bar, BQ, and W, which all have a default of right.